In this video, I'm doing the unboxing of the new Pizzello Grande. As I opened the box, look what came inside. A fantastic hat, very, very cool. It's actually not a snapback, which I like. It's the adjustable slider. And an incredible apron. I mean, this thing is fantastic. It's got leather connectors. What a very cool thing to be added in here. Everything inside the Pizzello is packed extremely well. Here's the stainless steel outer doors for the lower fire chamber and the upper oven area. The pizza stone is packed really well inside, and it's wrapped with a lot of dense foam. And included inside are your handles and your screws and other accessories. Just screw down the 4 screws on top of the stack, and you'll go ahead and put the top on with the spring and the nut. You'll put your handle screws on the inside, and then you'll go and attach them with a grommet on the outside, and make sure your grommet's the correct way so that those handles fit nice inside for a clean finish. For the lower fire door assembly, you're going to go put your handle through the door, as you see here. Tighten the one nut on the one side. You're going to put your latch on the other side, and it's basically the same thing for the upper cooking door as well. You'll put your handle in, you'll put your latch on, and you want to make sure the latch is flush on the back. You'll put your screws on the bottom, which is the hinges, with the nut on the outside of each of these, and the lock should be flush against the door as you see it. It makes a really nice tight fit, and you're all set to go. So it took me about 30 to 45 minutes to get this all completely together after reading the instructions, which are always very clear. Everything fit together perfectly, and tonight I'm cooking a garlic buttered lobster pizza. You got to check it out. Wait till the end because you're not going to believe what this looks like. Please subscribe, like my channel, motivates me to do more videos for you guys and gals, and we'll see you on the next one. Smoke on, baby. Okay, so we got the Pizzello going. We're about 650 degrees on the stone. Got the lobster pizza on. Wait till you see this.